Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview and a little bit of review, a little tutorial of this LED green chain that's about 10 feet long. So in this example, it can be shown and worn as part of a costume, actually. That's what I love about it, because it's something that you can integrate into whatever costume you want, because it is portable, because it is battery powered. It holds 3 AA batteries that do not come with it, and they are in this water resistant container. So if this was put in, let's just say, a prop or some outdoor thing where the weather might be getting to it, no worries about that, which is cool. Like on a mailbox or outdoor decor or something like that, where it might be exposed to the elements. It does have a little hanger thing right here. So, if you did need to hang it, you could definitely do that. You got about from the battery pack to where the chain starts, about 14 to 16 inches or so in length there. And it has a variety of different styles of patterns. So this is a sort of like a alternating strobe. Then you have solid. Then you have off. Then you have this, which is kind of like a flowing effect. This is a faster alternating, and this is like a, what do they call that, like breathing, to where like it's going bright, it's going dark, it's going dark, it's going bright. There's sort of an alternating one. Very, very cool. This is made out of like a hard plastic. Well, yeah, I guess you can call it a hard plastic type material, where the LEDs are kind of interwoven into the structure of it. Very cool. So you don't have any like exposed wires or anything that would catch on anything like that, except for basically just this. So if you were wearing it as a costume, this thing is super bright. I'll show you what it looks like here in the darkness. Very, very, very lightweight. So if it was going to be worn as a costume, like in this example, or it's part of a costume, or so it is light enough that if you wanted it to be like on a chandelier or something, it's not going to be putting a lot of undue weight on it, because it might weigh 1 pound. I mean, it's really not that heavy. And this would be an example of what it would look like if you were heading somewhere where it was like, nighttime or dark outside. It is quite bright, like surprisingly bright. I'll give it that. Very, very, very bright. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview, a little tutorial? Tell us what you think about our LED green chain, again, about 10 feet long. Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered about this. Very cool. And will be very much used all around the holiday time. Hopefully, all your questions got answered, and we'll talk to you soon.